There we go. $45 feet. She got all her AIS and tech. Everything works as it should. Load stand.